Mr. DJ, Mr. DJ, Mr. DJ, Mr. DJ, Mr. DJ. Oh wait, may isa pang shirt para sa inyo to guys. Catch ha? Ready po? Yung baby, careful. 1, 2, 3, catch! Ayan. So, ano yung movie namin po ni DJ bago yung Crazy Beautiful You? Yung may, go sexy! Go sexy! Go sexy, sexy love! Ano yun? Ayan! I love it! Napanood niyo rin po ba yung lahat? So, alam niyo rin yung theme song namin sa kanta na yun. Alam nyo? Ayan, kung alam nyo, pwede nyo kong sabayan. Ilali ng next song ko para sa inyong lahat. Thank you! Ready, guys? I never dreamed, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids. It's just a childish thing. And I could swear love is just a game that children play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. You and I should be together. Can't you see?
Magandang gabi ho sa inyong lahat. Kumusta po kayo? Gusto niyo bang kumanta pa kami isa ni Catherine? Napanood niyo ba yung Crazy Beautiful You? Napanood niyo na ba yan?